Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Venkatesh. I am a DevOps engineer. This is a DevOps Pro Junction YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about Terraform Beginner to Pro. I have already created videos on Terraform. Maybe many of you don't know that how to use the videos, how to start, where to start the Terraform and where to implement it or how to study the Terraform. So if you are looking for that, this is the video. You can go through it and you can use this free resources as well. And moreover, I have made these videos to understand the based on the concepts. If you not watched that video before, in this video I'm going to explain you more that. And moreover, I'm making lot of videos related to cloud and DevOps. I believe these videos are helpful. If you find these videos are helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel and follow for the more videos. It will be encourage me to make a lot of videos. So here I have the channel. So in this channel you can go to the playlist specifically, and here I currently have 30 videos in this particular playlist. You can see that I'm going to explain you how you can utilize these videos. Basically, these videos are came for the beginners, and you become a pro when you learn these concepts. So you have to start with what is IAC. So it's going to tell you the theoretical as well as the practical things in this playlist. First of all, this video is going to help you for the what is IAC and understanding those advantages. Learn about the Terraform workflow and version constraints. I have created all these videos based on the concepts. So you can go through these videos one by one based on the concepts, and you can even implement on your own laptop. By that way you will get a more stuff. Post that version constraint, there is a video related to multiple providers, so you can understand what is the provider, what is the multiple provider, how to use it. And there is a concept called immutable. What is immutable? Basically you are going to learn here how to use the looping in Terraform, how to use a count, what is the lifecycle rules. So there are 3 lifecycle rules you are going to learn in this video. Watch this video and you can implement these concepts in upcoming project I'm going to tell you. And mastering the depends on, so these are all also the lifecycle rules as well. Variables. So when it comes to variables, there are different different concepts are there. So I have explained it one by one. You can override the variable and you can do it as a list. You can use this variable into the map, and you can use this as a secret, and you can use it with the files. Next you are going to learn about a TFR. So why we use a TFR files? When we have the multiple TFR files, how it is going to work. And then you are going to learn what is a output block and what is a local block, what is a data block. So everything is a practical, not into the theory this and all. What is a state file, how to use a state file as a backend using the S3 bucket. And state locking, I have mentioned this with a practical. What are the state commands you can use it. So what is a workspace and what are the provisioners again comes to this. Moreover, these videos are help you regarding the practical thing. And finally the modules. This entire video is going to help you to make a practical stuff. And this is not only the theory. If you want to more concept into something apart from this, you can mention in the comment section. I will make you those videos as well. So if you are paying some amount to the some courses, those values you are going to get from this video itself. Don't hesitate to start these things. Start learn from these concepts one by one and implement it. And I'm going to help you for finally with some projects videos as well. So that will be help you to understand how you can do the projects with the Terraform. I believe this video is helpful to start your Terraform from beginner to pro. If you are into even middle level, you can try it. So it will be help you a lot. I believe this video is helpful. If you find these videos helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel and follow for the more videos. Let's see you in the another topic.